Hello YouTube. So the last couple days I've had snow days because there was a big storm that hit. So I created a mind map because that's what they teach us in school for making a CNC. It's kind of complicated, but trust me, it's not that complicated. So let's start with the actual machine. Right here I wrote actual machine. And for the actual machine I'm going to need aluminum extrusions, a carriage, V-wheels, timing belts, and tons of hardware. You might not understand what that means, but I'm basically trying to copy sort of what I have right here, my laser. And my dad says he has some aluminum extrusions, so I don't know how they're going to be exactly, but I think it'll work. So going into the extrusions more, I'm going to need 3 pieces of V-track for the axes, 2 pieces to reinforce the x-axis on the ends, 4 legs, and I have an arrow over here. Oh, yeah. And then I just wrote all the things that I'm going to need, like motors and stop mounting motors. I'm going to need gears, which comes up here for timing belts, because the timing belts attach the gears. And then I think it's a good time to go into the axes. For my X and Y, I'm going to do that first, and I'm going to set C extrusions for what I'm going to need. Z, I'm going to need a threaded rod and nut, and that's going to be the second piece. I don't really know what I'm doing for that yet. And then I can look at what's going to actually control it, which I'm going to control it with an Arduino with a Gerbil shield on it. And I'm getting sort of a kit. It's not really a kit, but it's just like comes with a bunch of parts that you'll need. And in the kit that plugs into the Gerbil shield are motor drivers, which is in the kit and plugs into the Gerbil shield. And the Gerbil shield is in the kit, so is an Arduino. I'm gonna need, it comes with motors, which goes into the shield, the motors come with mounting brackets, which both come in the kit. It also comes with end stops and limit switches, same thing. And yeah, that's basically. Oh, and also for the hardware, I'm gonna need a spindle, which I think I'm just gonna 3D print an attachment. Oh, I didn't finish writing that. For my Dremel tool, and yeah. And then what's gonna control the Arduino and the Gerbil shield is my computer. And I'm gonna use Universal G-Code Sender. Short is UGS. But I need to download Java for that. I already did some of this because I think I know it. But then for firmware, I am downloading an FTDI driver, which goes into my computer. And basically, I'm just going to, once I have the machine all up and running, I'm going to plug in my Arduino into my computer, and I'm going to upload the FTDI driver to the Arduino. So basically what I think I can do is I think I can just draw a line like that. And then, yeah, so that's the firmware part of it. Then G-code going into Universal G-Code Sender, I'm going to make from Fusion 360, which I can get a hobbyist license for, I don't know if it's 1 year or 3 years. I'm pretty sure it's just 1 year, but that'll last me a little bit, and I can renew the license and stuff too, so. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's my CNC idea, so see you next time when hopefully I buy some of this stuff and get it up and running. See you next time.